Oh, what is up? Yeah, we're still going. Sorry about that. I was having some stupid issues with my mic. My headphones went out. I don't know what the hell happened. Apparently, when I plugged in the Elgato again, they killed everything. So, let me know if I'm a little quiet. I might probably turn down the music a little bit for you guys. Can't hear myself thinking right now, so give me a second. There we go. Check, check. Check, 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 check. Okay, let's do a quick little post. Take that link. Throw that in the Discord. There we go. What is up, everyone? So as you saw by the title, today we're going to be doing some pins. Oh yeah. So I had a client come in to bring this one in. He says his cat came and stepped on the CPU socket while they were setting up the computer. Absolutely cooked it. So, you know, I'll take his word on it. That might be the issue. Might not be the issue. We're about to see if this thing actually fits on the desk. It'll be probably pretty funny. See what happens. It's one of my favorite cases, though. Oh yeah, it's not an 011D dynamic. It is a doesn't fit in the camera. It is a Corsair 5000. So I mean, it's a pretty build. As you can see, he just placed the CPU in there. I asked for all the components that he was going to be using on this thing to just include them. He was just going to give me the board, but I said I wanted to test everything out to make sure it was good beforehand. Jesus fucking Christ, this case is crazy big. He's got this RX 4000 Quadro in here too. It's kind of an interesting build. Yeah, it's got the AMD socket on there, but we're going to see how bad this is real quick. See if you can see it on camera. Ooh. Alright, that's pretty bad. See if I can get the microscope up in there. Might be able to. Oh yeah, maybe. Ooh, let's not drop the light off of there though. That'd be no bueno, that's for sure. Let's see. Why is the wire so tight on that? God damn. Nah, in the way. Might be able to. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. What's good? What is a microscope? Camera just decided it doesn't want to work right now. Is there any senator or ma'am? What is going on here? No? You don't want to work right now? Second. Sometimes this thing fights for USB devices. Come on. No, I definitely want the microscope. That's not helpful. Where is... Why is the camera not showing? What the hell? That's the Elgato. Let's see. We're just having trouble. I think we were just having trouble right now. Oh man, it worked before this and before I plugged in the Elgato. Now it's freaking out. Sure. Why is it not? Are we mad about that Elgato being plugged in? Like, is that the issue? Like, is it a, did I run out of resources? I wonder. Well, that's always good. What the hell? Why do we not working? Man, I love checking this stuff before stream, and then it like refuses to work anyways, even though I checked this all ahead of time. It's crazy. Wow, that's really fucking shitty. Why is it still stuck there? It should... No way. The fuck? What is the issue? Come on. Oh! It was loose. Let's try to go beat. Yep. Come on, come back. Come back to us. Come on. There we go. Maybe, baby. There it is. Come on. Let's see. Might be a little too loose. See if I can angle this with the socket. Can we get some? Oh. Dude, I might be able to. Guys, it's not over yet. It's not over yet. Oh man, this is so fucked. Come on. It worked. It's because my big panel's in the way. Maybe I can hit it from up here because I got enough light. No. Man, the stream's just gonna be scuffed tonight? Holy shit, what the fuck? What is going on? For real, why is everything not working tonight? Oh! Alright, what are we looking at? There we go. Can we lock the camera there? I'm like working off this tiny little display right now. Give me a second. Kind of dark. Let's see if hitting it with the ring light. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. A little blurry. Hold on, let's put that in focus. There you go. Now we can see those crumpled up pins. God damn. Those things are kind of collapsed. Alright, we're gonna put this ring light somewhere. Get some good light on that socket. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like there's one bent pin there in the top corner, and there's a couple in the center that are bent too as well. There's a little angle that worked really good for the light. Might just move the computer over. Let's try it over here. See if I get a better read of the arm. If I move my main monitor back. Do I hate this microscope stand? It keeps coming loose. Like it's loose as hell right now. Just need to get a better one. But, that costs money, so. use the super shitty Amazon Basics camera stand for the time being. There we go. Not a ton of light. See if we can find that problem area again. Dude, why does it keep coming loose? Man, it is just that kind of night, huh? God damn, dude. Really hate when everything was set up and I was like good to go. I was so excited. I was like, dude, everything's working, and then I plugged one thing in and it bricked everything. Alright. Let's get the light on it. Let's see. If we can find those bent pins. So, oh, there we go. There we go. We got some cooked pins in there. Problem is that they're like dead center on the socket, and then there's like one more that I saw on the side, but it's a socket repair problem. So, let's see if I can find the one that's up here. That's a problem. Okay, you can see. Can you see that one? Real quick, right there. There's one that's out of place. Let's see. I got enough room to put this on now. I think I do. Boom. Yeah, this one's in the center too. We're fucked up. Let me get my sharp tweezers and we're gonna have some fun. Then we're gonna see if this thing posts, get the drivers all ready, and then we'll be good to go. So let's get it started. I was gonna say you guys can hear the music still, right? Or is it too low? Yo, it's getting French up in here. Let's do something like this. You know what? There we go. Probably gonna get copyrighted. That's okay. We're doing all right. One more. Not yet. One more cycle. Put that one up here. That's cooked. Get that guy first. Hey, dude, dude. My setup was, everything was set and it was working right, and then then I plugged in the Elgato, and it cooked my setup. So, what the fuck is this thing here? What is that? What the shit is that? I'm doing this inside the computer. If I can't get this like straightened, I'm just gonna. What is that? What is that on that pin? The hell is that? Shaky boomer hams with the crap fest, dude. Oh my god. Holy shit. Bro, have you seen me play CSGO? That shit's hella shaky. That's because I'm not using my good hand either. I'm using my left hand. I'm gonna take the RAM out of this thing. Coming from the side. I think that's my biggest issue, is I'm trying to reach over the top. This case is fucking huge. I just don't want to remove everything from the case. No, I might be regretting my decision just a little bit. Because the guy even offered to remove everything. But I was like, I want to make sure I have everything in it so I can test it. Fuck is that? Oh, you guys see that, right? There's like this white shit right in the center. I'm having trouble getting at it, whatever it is. He said his cat stepped on it, so maybe it's like cat fur or something. I don't know, man. I might have to come in here with the verifying something. Dude, this is not working with this angle. There we go. What is that? Oh. Whatever it was, I got it all. Alright, so now we got... So it's a Prime X670E from Asus. So it's a Ryzen 7000 board. So it's got a 7700 XT that normally is in it. I don't know where the hell I just tossed it. But yeah, I had a 7700 XT in it. Probably put it somewhere stupid. I'm gonna remove this card real quick. Music got me feeling so free. Get this GPU out of there. It's one of those Corsair water coolers. Oh, this is the Prime board that I have, so you just press the button and it should come right out. There we go. GPU removed. The NZXT Flex thing, it sounds familiar. Is that where they do is that where they do the BLD? Where they send you the parts to do it, or no? Oh, dude. Alright, hold on. Let me see if giving you guys an angle will make it different. So it's more apparent where it's smushed. No, it's not helping you guys see where it's smushed. Maybe like that. Oh, there we go. There you go. Now it's way more obvious where it's smushed. Alright. I don't know if you can see how all the other pins have the same reflection, and those like 5 or 6 in the center are different. This shit gives me a headache, dude. The problem is you have to bend them past to get them to fit. So like that one right there. So I have to like push it back so they get it line up with all the rest. This one's off too. God damn, dude. Yeah, so there's a couple of them that are toasted. The problem is that you need to get them kind of all lined up. It's a matter of getting comfortable and just going at it. It's a pain in the ass for sure. I feel like TikTok would love this shit. Slowly manipulating one pin at a time. I wonder if I should get some more angled forceps. I wonder if that would help me. Okay, that one's more straight. Alright. Somewhere. See, I don't know if I should like try the razor blade approach on this or not. The razor blade approach kind of scares me though, especially when they're like this. I can't tell if we're missing a pin or something. Like genuinely can't make it out if we're missing a pin or not. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There's a good angle. Nice and sideways. You can very clearly see that spot. The overhead light's killing me right now. Give me a second. Phew. You can rent a PC, so you can like borrow it for a LAN or something? Oh, is that pin snapped off? Is that a pin missing? Look right there. Is that pin just missing? Aw. Damn, brother. You see that? There's a pin missing right in the center. That's a broken pin right there. Oh, that fucking sucks. Oh man, I had high hopes that I was gonna be able to revive this. But, I mean, it could be a ground pin, it's possible, but... Let's see, I'm trying to see if there any more pins that are like that. Those are all in a line. That one's a little off. This one's a little off right here. Let's see if we can bring him over. Yeah, but look. Missing that pin right there. Damn, bro. That fucking sucks. I see this pin should be more forward. This pin should be more in line with all the other ones. So renting a computer from NZXT and putting it on Vast, well, how much is it a month? Because you got to think of it this way. A single 4090 right now probably makes about 20 cents an hour, if I remember correctly, on Vast. Two 4090s make, I think, 44 or 50 cents an hour right now. So you're looking at, I could be wrong. I think that's what I saw last time. So you're looking at a couple bucks a day, maybe $60 a month for a 4090. Am I doing math wrong in my head? 5 hours, yeah. Probably like $60 to $100 a month on VAS with a single 4090. So how much does it cost per month to rent a 4090 from them? Like, can you rent a 4090 from them? Because like that's the best card for VAST right now in any of the AI workload sites. Okay. Well, the problem is I don't want to count the pins. Yeah, I'm gonna text this guy and let him know, hey, by the way, there's a broken off pin. I'll send it to him right now, actually. Luckily for you guys, we're gonna throw the CPU in it. It's like 20 cents an hour, if I remember correctly. I'll pull it up in just a second. Because I don't go by like what's available, I go by what's rented. And I think it's 20 cents. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But I remember it being like 20 cents. So, let me text this guy real quick. That guy wanted a PS5 repair. And he didn't go through with it. I'm gonna circle it for him too. Put missing pin on it and send it to him. I mean, I can try to boot this thing, but I don't think it's gonna do much for us right now. But fuck it, right? Maybe it won't CPU error. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe it'll just turn on. Maybe it'll just work, right? Right? We can hope. Maybe it'll just fucking start working. Maybe maybe it's just a ground pin and all the other ones that are now straight are gonna be fine. So we'll swap back to the overhead cam. Let's turn on that light again. Boom. So I can go blind again and get dots on my eyes. For you guys. I don't think that a cat stepped on it, because like, look at that. I think this is what happened. I think the CPU cooler smacked it. Oh yeah, it's like rough. Not even like straight. Yeah, I think this socket's cooked. Yeah, it's got more than just that missing now that I'm looking at it. And there's another spot up here that's also bad. You guys are probably getting mad at me fat fingering the socket, but I mean, like, let's be real. This thing's cooked. A couple up here that are bent, but it's definitely really bad right there. It's like 15, 20 pins. Does this thing not have power input? Yeah, it does. They just never hooked it up. Why are you not running up? Hello? There it goes. That's what happened. I honestly think that's exactly what happened. I think that he had the water cooler installed already, and he just absolutely dumped this thing on top of it. Come on. This is why I hate not having nails. Is the back of this thing burnt? Nope. CPU's still good. His board's just cooked. Needs to go buy a new one. But maybe it posts. Maybe it works. Who knows? See if we get a CPU light out of it before I go through all the trouble of putting thermal paste on it. Feel bad. I'm probably gonna give this guy back his money. And I'll pull up the VAS real quick too after I get this RAM installed. Get this thing booted. Oh, there it goes. See? Exactly. I think that's exactly how it happened. He said his cat fell on it. And like, you know, I'll take his word for it, but that lines up exactly with how this, how that would have just fallen right now. Taking out the board and everything on it. Yeah, I probably don't need to put thermal paste on this just to boot it up, right? I think it'll boot. I think it'll boot just fine with no thermal paste on it. We'll run a little bit warm. It just won't be a very good contact. I think it'll be good enough. Just jamming tonight. You know, I almost tried to trigger you guys again and thought about getting some beers. I saw Folgers were on sale, and I was like, dude, some Aussie beer sounds really good right now. I don't know why, but it just sounded good. All right, we're gonna say fuck it, right? Fuck it, we send it. Fuck it, we ball. You guys down with that? Fuck it, we ball. That's what I'm feeling right now. How bad could it be? I mean, granted, I saw the other night Brandon Coyne was raw dogging his hand on the on the CPU, making sure it was getting warm to turn on. Single rigs for 44 cents or 40 cents to 60 cents. I mean, maybe. Like I said, I'll pull it up real quick. Let me get this thing to turn on real quick. Where's the power button? This remove correctly on these cases. They're on top, which I can't see right now. Well, well, helps to connect the power leads, right? Power switch. I might turn it on, right? Ooh, that's a good one to have unplugged too. Ouch! Looks cool. Ow, fuck me. Oh! Oh shit, it's booting! It went off of CPU to RAM. Oh fuck! I might have made it live. So it's like eBay. It's like eBay things are listed, but if you go by top sold, like you'll see what things are really going for. You know what people are really buying things for. So 4090 is $269 a month. Nah, it's not worth it. And like renting it for a day or what? Let me, oh man, my keyboard's hidden. There's no way this thing's booting right now. That'd be crazy. No way this thing fucking booted. No shit. No way. No way this thing just booted. Okay, hold on, we're gonna... Come on, Elgato. Why are you not displaying now? Why are you being camera shy? Oh, I accidentally unplugged you, is why. No way this thing's on. It's probably really pissed off right now. Wait, this thing only has DisplayPort and... Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta find a real GPU. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's a black screen. We're going back to the overhead. There we go. Sorry. I'm an idiot, and this thing only has DisplayPort out. And I don't think the 7700 has anything. No way this thing booted. Is it getting hot? It feels like it is. No way this thing just fucking booted. This thing is missing a whole ass pin. Hold on. I got another customer's computer here. He might be watching this stream. I'm sorry, bud. I'm borrowing your GPU. I know. You can get mad at me tomorrow or some shit, but I need to borrow it. I don't have another GPU readily available that I could throw in this that works. My 1070 exploded the other day. It was actually pretty fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was pretty cool. Besides, I give you a nice thumb screw for your back plate so it holds your GPU in properly. So I think plugging it into this motherboard is not gonna actually do anything to it. But, you know. Boom, boom. So I'll go over it in just a second, bud. So just give me a second. I'll pull it up. Pins are useless. Yeah, most of them are ground. Like, Linus did a video on it, and I figured that too. I was like, most of these got to be ground, and grounds are tied together. And I told the customer that too. I said, there's a good chance that it will just work. If it's just one pin and it happens to be a ground pin, we're good. But there's not really a good way of telling if it's a ground pin. Let's see. Come on. Button press. Then it should come up. There it goes. These got these have these like really stupid locks on them. I mean, this is not a bad GPU. Does he have the GPU cable? Yes, he does. Oh, it might not be long enough. Ugh. Good thing it's got an extension on it. There we go. This has an HDMI output. This will work. Alright, let's cook. Alright. Oh, Elgato needs to be plugged back in. Type-C cable, where'd you go? You guys can't see it, but the computer's currently laying on my keyboard as well. It's freaking on my keyboard. I'm surprised stream hasn't ended yet. By accident. Alright, we're gonna... Wait, what is on my keyboard that is setting it off? Oh. Maybe the power strip. And you know what? You know what? Let's keep it positive. The one thing that hasn't fucked up today is the disco camera. So for some reason, every once in a while, it'll just lose focus and sits there and kind of goes to the beat. It's great. All right. Is the Elgato on? Or is it complaining about USB resources? Oh. Okay, Elgato screen. Cool. All right. W. Yeah, that sounds about right. No, you're not cooked. That thing's great. Dude, there's a guy... So go look in the rig pics in my Discord. There's a guy running running the BC250s with dual Wraith coolers on them. Let's go! No way! No fucking way this thing just posted with a missing pin. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Oh, dude. Holy shit. Let's go. Alright, time to underball this guy. Tell him, hey bro, your motherboard's cooked. I'll buy it for $50. I'm kidding, I'm gonna do that to him. Let's fucking go. It's alive. Yeah, I got this exact board. I love this board, dude. This board's good. Alright, we'll see if it sees all the RAM. Dude, it sees the RAM. The CPU's there, the AIO's running. Bro, this is so fucking scuffed. Let's go. There's no way this thing ran. Oh, I might be peeking the mic a little bit, but that's crazy. That's crazy this shit's on. G freaking G, bro. True. There's no way that this thing should be running right now. There's not a chance in hell this thing should have been on and running. I guess it's okay. I can just watch it through the stream. It's nice and low resolution. It's gonna put this on Expo 1, I think is the right one. Let's see if it crashes on Expo. It doesn't see a boot drive. I don't know if there is a boot drive in this. That's actually a really good question. I didn't see a drive in this one. I can check. Bro, we are up to 10 viewers. See, look at that. I mean, it could. See, that's the problem. I need to throw it on some kind of benchmark. Maybe definitely not mining XMR or something like that. Yeah, burn it up on some crypto real quick. But it looks like it's on. Let me. I want to shut it down and check to see if there's an M.2 in it. So let me switch the camera real quick, guys. Let's fucking go. Hype as fuck. Why is it not switching over? Hello? Why is that above? It should be like way down here. There we go. Bam. Alright, guys. Let's keep using this button. There we go. Leave the HDMI cord plugged in too while we're at it. Put this down on his case. Maybe that will be the bonus for tonight, guys. Oh shit. Oh no. God damn it. I don't know if you guys saw, but no job. Yeah, I have no job. No, I can already tell you there's something wrong. Just looking at it, I can tell you there's something wrong. You know why? Because it said there was no storage. And there's definitely a 990 Pro right there. Fuck. Oh no, the pin goes to the fucking... It goes to the SSD, bro. No. Oh, I gotta check one more time, hold on. Oh, and I also have no thermal paste on that, so let's resolve that real quick. That sounds like a problem I should probably resolve now, before I forget about it and give it back, and the guy goes, this thing kind of runs hot. Oh, I think it was on there. Oh, did it? Am I just stupid? I'm sorry. So I'm on this, like, I kid you not, I'm on a screen about yay big right now, on my other monitor. So did it show up? Like, just tell me I'm an idiot. If it showed up, then we're good. If it showed up in BIOS, then we're good. I didn't see it. That's my bad. I thought it said no drives. But if it said there was a drive, then I'm just stupid and didn't see it. Like, I kid you not, I'm on like a little 4-inch screen right now. Not intentionally. I just don't want to fuck with my main monitor right now, because then it bugs everything else out. Dude, I had a tube of thermal paste out. Oh, no way. Where did I put it? Did I put it away? Was I stupid and put it away? Oh, shit. Oh, is it below the computer? No? Hey, what did I just do with it? I seriously just had out my MX62. Ah, there it is. I'm just stupid. Oh, okay, good. Alright, we're gonna do it again. This time we're gonna do the right thing and put some thermal goop on there. Good morning, Zapire. Did you have your cigarette and coffee yet? Dude, it's crazy right now. I just sat here and unbent the pins on this motherboard, and I think I got enough of them straight, and the fucking thing booted. It booted with bent pins. No way. Right? It's really head ass. It's not a very good design. I don't know why they did that way. I think AMD's just like, yo, we're gonna try out this LGA thing, rather than doing, like, you know, the pins that we've been doing for the last 20 years. But hey, you know what? Fuck it. We're just gonna try something different. I think it's because they can cram more pads doing it this way than they can with the pin array on the CPU itself rather than the motherboard. But the problem is like morons do this and they drop their CPU on it, or they fat finger the shit out of it, and it just doesn't come back. You know, I just raw dogged the motherboard too. That's good. Actually, the power was off when I pulled the GPU out, so we're okay. I don't know if King is in here, but he's probably sweating if he saw this. So, you know, leaving the power hot. It's okay. It's off now, so we're good. There's no way I just revived this board. It'd be crazy. Alright, so yeah, I think you're right. We gotta put this thing under some load. I think we need to see what's going on with it. I like how the lights flickered when I turned on too. I'm definitely reaching the limit of what this circuit's supposed to do in the house. Ain't no fucking way, bro. This is crazy. Spam delete. We're gonna make sure. Come on, mouse. I don't want to switch the scenes. No signal. It says we're booting. Yeah, see, there we go. So we're in. So I'm sorry. So you said there was an F7. So we're gonna do AI. We're gonna try Expo 1 to see if it's unstable. No, there's no. I don't see boot options. Was it in the first page? Yeah, no, there's no boot drive there. There's no boot drive. Oh, wait, what the fuck? Oh, what? Oh, he threw an SSD. Oh, I'm sorry. I see what... I see what's going on here. Okay. Padur. So it's, it's got a drive in it. It just doesn't have... Yeah, I see it. It has a drive in it. It just straight up doesn't have Windows on it. So, I don't think this guy asked me to install Windows. I have to check. Let me check my phone real quick. Did he want me to install Windows on it? Good question. Anyways, that doesn't. Actually, you're right. That doesn't seem right. Seems kind of high. But this is Let's see what he says. Yeah, dude, you know what? Zaphire's true. These things are no. I think that's when they first came out. They were cooking 5000 series, right? They're running them way too hot. Alright, let's get Windows on this thing. I can't remember if there's a way to do Windows with no user. I mean, he can always just reset this computer and wipe it, I guess. Okay. I mean, I'm in BIOS. I think I might just install Windows for shits and giggles. It's going good. It's way better now. I was so worried. I was like, this was a waste of time, and I feel bad for taking the guy's money. But now I don't, because it's working. We're gonna say fuck it. Install Windows. Yeah, I was trying to tell Nick about that because Nick was doing easy mining stuff, and I'm like, dude, they reduced everyone's KYC, and they stole everyone's or not they're not directly stealing everyone's shit. What they're doing is pulling out like a maintenance fee, like they're a bank, every month until you fix KYC. But they locked a bunch of people out of KYC. So there's people that are like, yeah, I'm gonna get my $400 and it's slowly drained. Oh god, I know you guys can see that full resolution. It is currently the size of like a flash card. So I'm gonna switch monitors real quick on this. Let me drag it over here. There we go. I can read it now. Oh! Don't drag. Am I on the keyboard again? Do you know what I really need? I agree to everything. Did they change this? Oh no. I gotta go get my mouse and plug it in. Can't see chat now. Now it's miners. Oh. That's true. Dude, I think it's so ridiculous. I think it was a really terrible play. I don't have a product key. We don't have internet. I promise. We're gonna put pro on this because we're balling, right? We're balling out of control. We're doing the most exciting thing possible, which is installing Windows. I know, absolutely riveting. Oh yeah. We're gonna raw dog some Windows on here. There's no boot, so there's no bootloader on this. Whatever, his thing's cooked anyways. Alright, let's do something a little bit more interesting. Hey, hold on, it's like you're underage? We got minors in here? We have minors that are minors? Oh no, I gotta put on some nice friendly tunes then. Oh shoot, I don't know what's up on my webpage. We're gonna close out Firefox real quick. We're not gonna raw dog this one. Oh. Well, he doesn't have my address on it. I'm gonna open up a private window. Did I not show anything? Okay, good. There we go. What? There we go. Alrighty. God damn it, I can't see it. Fuck me. Oh, this is gonna be brutal. I've been mining since I was a wee lad as well. A wee lad. Alright, we're gonna unplug this fucking keyboard. And put it over here because I can't reach my current keyboard. Alrighty, so we're gonna go to Vast AI. Run GPUs. Okay, so if you go to like interruptible pricing, can't see the stream window. Why are you like this? So we're gonna do. Alright, well, we're gonna move this over here. We're gonna add another scene. We're gonna add this guy. We're just gonna whoop, toss him down here in case it does something interesting. Right? In case it does something cool. So as you can see, we can see everything that's available right now. I think if we go to no template, show unavailable offers. So on demand, any GPU. So we can do NVIDIA. We're gonna get rid of the Quadros and Titans. We're gonna do 40 series. So we're gonna sort by, why does this say minimum 10 GPUs? Can we do GPU count? So let's do 4 GPUs. And we're gonna look at all the ones that are currently rented. So price, increasing. So why is it showing 4060s? It shouldn't be. So, oh, my bad. I'm stupid. We're gonna do everything but the 4090s. So these are the data center. So these are all the ones being currently rented. So you have a single one in Utah, 30 cents, 29, 30, yeah, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents. This one's 38 cents real quick. There's one above at 39.01 being rented. So, I mean, I'm sorry, what do you want me to do? There's no dark mode for this shit. Oh, is there? I'm sorry, guys. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Alright, hold on, we'll see. So let's do 2 to 3 4090s. Like, what are those looking like right now? So 61 cents an hour for 2. I mean, so 4 4090s, $1.65 an hour. What is like the, where does it cut off of not being rented? So those are 5, 4, 6 rig, 5 rig. So like the peak end of 4 rigs getting rented that are non-data center ones are like right around $2, $1.90, all the way down to $1.70, $1.06 for 4 of them an hour. And so 24 bucks a day if you have 4 of them. But you were only talking about 1. So, you know, we're talking about 1. You know, you're looking at 34 cents an hour. So sorry, the guy was messaging me. Like, I intentionally want the guy's asking. I was like, I want this thing to have as tough a time as possible, and run some kind of games on it, run some other shit on it, see if it crashes. I'm sorry, and then what was I gonna do? Sorry, at 34 cents an hour, 34.1 an hour. You're looking 24 hours, 30 days. I mean, that's if you get it rented for 24/7 for 30 days straight. You make $245.52. Amplifier, do it. I'm sorry, I'm reading through chat again. Do I think Soul will drop down to 20 bucks again? No. No. I got so lucky with that. Oh my god. So I had one of these helium. I've said it before, I think. But I had one of those helium miners. So I'm not worried about this GPU dying in this. It's the CPU. I definitely need to put under load. Look at that, guys. It looks like it's pulling up. Hold on, we're gonna switch over. Oh, that's awful for me to look at, but probably looks fine for you guys. Enjoy the bleach. All right. Oh, wait. Yeah. You know what helps? Putting my mouse in that computer. I mean, it's not running hot. Looks like it's running good. I mean, I can just tell them all uninstall, but it's like this is more work. Ah, guys, we're gonna watch. It's like watching paint dry now. Wait. Oh no, it's Windows. 11, you have to be connected to the internet. Ugh! Fuck! Fucking Windows. My helium miner makes 68 cents a day, or at least was. I don't know if it is anymore. So I could actually look it up for you real quick. Oh, anyways, where was I going with it? Okay, so I had my helium miner while it was still mining HNT. I have a really old video. No, it's Windows Pro. But yeah, Windows is ugly. We're not gonna name the device because that's not my place to name his computer. Set it up for personal use. Yeah, it should be. I set it up for Pro. I told it to install Pro. If it didn't, then Windows is a piece of shit. But what's new? Fuck, where was it going? Okay. Anyway, so I mined a bunch of helium on it. I actually have one of my first crypto videos, and I should have known that I should have started posting more videos on it. Was when I bought my Panther X2 and found out their firmware was unlockable. You could change the amount of witnesses and stuff that you had, or the peer list, not witnesses. You could change the number of peers on your list and how often it refreshed and how many nodes you could connect to. So basically, essentially, you'd connect to so many nodes that it was impossible for you not to send out the data first, because that's how they did the rounds, was how quickly you could output the data compared to all the other ones that caught your beacon. So it ended up actually increasing the profitability. It almost doubled it. Some days it would double the amount of money that I was making compared to before I did that. I have a 5.7 dBi antenna up on top and an attenuator on it. That's or a line booster, essentially what it is on it. Helps it get a little bit stronger signal. It doesn't really send out a stronger signal. It just receives a stronger signal. So your mileage may vary on that one. Just because I'm in a valley, I decided to do it. So I was able to hit people from like hundreds of miles away. Sign-in options. What? So why did it install home when I told it not to? I told it to not install home. Oh, there we go. No way. I didn't install home, you piece of shit. I literally chose Pro. You freaking cum stain. Well, let's do set up for work. I don't know. No way, that's how you have to do it? So you have to say you're setting up for work? That's so dumb. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened there. Oh, it's probably updating drivers. We're gonna do PC. Oh. Wait, what the fuck? Did the keyboard disconnect too? Oh. Oh, maybe you should stop moving the keyboard between the two computers. And typing in the wrong computer. We're gonna call it PC. We're gonna name the password nothing. Hey, no password. Safe. Should I put up the MAC address and my IP, my IP address for you guys? Hey man, it's raw dogging the network right now. What do you mean? Of course we're raw dogging the network with this. Listen to that thing heat up. Alright, so what you're telling me to do is definitely mine Kapow and oh, you know what, Zapirate? I got one more better than Kapow. Warthog. We're gonna mine some Warthog on it. No, I'm kidding. That'd be terrible. That'd be awful to do. Actually, it'd be really good. It'd probably heat this thing up real quick. But we definitely see it crash. Oh man, this guy just sent me a wall of text. I gotta read it. Somewhat another person. Dude, so I've been running these Facebook ads, and it's been going crazy. I went from getting like maybe 1 or 2 inquiries a week to like I get 5 to 10 a day now for like $1 a day. So worth it. All right, look at that. We are in Windows. Yay. Sure. Let's just raw dog some Windows. I mean, should we run Heaven on this? Like, doesn't that just only hit the GPU? What the fuck uses Cinebench? Stop without seeking confirm. Get out of here with this bullshit, guys. Come on. Too bad Orem Algo is not going to be able to look up. Would it really? No way. Alright, hold on a second. Bench. Or... Alright, get out of here. Piece of shit. Fuck, I forgot what I was talking. Oh, I was. Anyways, I had Sol that I bought at $15 when I had to transition my Helium miner over to the Sol wallet when they switched over to the Sol chain because they couldn't keep up the Helium chain. Well, it's downloaded straight from TechSpot. That seems like a safe space to do it from. Actually, it is. I'm pretty sure it's actually okay. Can't I just get it from them? Yeah, I was like, isn't it literally from Maxim? The Prime 95 is okay. Will it not let me download this unless I get a Microsoft account? Okay, Microsoft, thank you for doing that. VR rate gets overheated in the board decides to kill the VR. Wait, no way. That's what would happen? That's awesome. It would hit the VRM that hard. It just says, yo, let me pull 1,000 watts real quick through the CPU socket and just locks it up. Or was it switching that fast? Yeah, listen to that thing. Can I run this on loop? I think I can, right? Dude, no way. This thing is just chilling. This thing is just chilling right now, guys. Really? So mining Orem algo absolutely destroys CPUs. So it's a good way of validating if the CPU is stable, because if the VRMs don't lock up, then it means it's good, right? I mean, is that what we should be seeing on this CPU? Oh, it's gonna be 9 minutes of this shit? Okay, well, let's do something more interesting than staring at Maxim going then. Let's unplug my mouse real quick. And then we'll deal with the Armory Crate, and then we'll deal with the BIOS and get it all updated. I mean, this thing seems good. What the fuck is going on? Hold on. This guy's going nuts. Alright, we're cooking. Alright, so that's with Vast. What's the other one that people are doing? Split again. Gotta move it over. Because they have the marketplace, right? So the community cloud. So we're looking at, let's just do USD a day because I don't want to deal with that. We're going to do 4090s if he's still here. We're going to do show rented servers. Is there a way to sort it by... What the fuck is the sort button? Where is the sort? Is it just me? Or so you're looking at like 280 a day, 290 a day. So I mean, like, is that really that good? Sorry, let me flip the screen real quick. Sent you via the DM. Alright, I'll take a look into it for sure. Thank you for that. See if this thing cooks. Dude, it looks like it's running fine, so I don't think you guys want to watch me do drivers and stuff like that, but what was the price on this one? $2.35 an hour, or $23.35 an hour. All the way up to, they're rented all the way through to like 40 cents an hour. So I mean, like, you did that, you're looking at $10 a day. You know, $2.88. So, alrighty. I don't think you guys want to watch this for this tonight. So I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna let this thing run on the floor for a bit, and hopefully everything works out. Alrighty. Y'all take care. I should have a video coming out this week.